Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're tackling the P0030 code, which is related to the oxygen sensor heater control circuit for Bank 1, Sensor 1. If you've scanned your vehicle and this code has popped up, don't worry. I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. This code is triggered when the engine control module ECM detects a problem with the heater circuit in the oxygen sensor located in Bank 1, Sensor 1. This sensor is crucial for your vehicle's performance as it helps the ECM manage fuel injection and emissions. If the heater circuit isn't working, the sensor may not reach its operating temperature, leading to incorrect readings and potentially poor engine performance. A scan tool for diagnosing and clearing the code. A socket wrench set for removing the old oxygen sensor. Jack and jack stands for safely lifting the vehicle. And if needed, a new oxygen sensor specific to your vehicle. Safety is our top priority. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and use a jack and jack stands to safely lift and secure the vehicle. Disconnect the battery before you begin any work on the electrical system to avoid any accidents. First, let's confirm the code. Connect your OBDI scanner and check for the P0030 code. If it's present, we'll proceed with testing the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. Now, let's locate Bank 1, Sensor 1. It's typically the upstream sensor on the exhaust manifold, closest to the engine. We'll start by checking the sensor's heater circuit using a multimeter test the resistance across the heater circuit terminals. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specified range. If it's out of range, the sensor might be faulty. If the sensor is good, the next step is to check the wiring and connectors leading to the sensor. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If everything checks out, the issue could be with the ECM or a fuse related to the oxygen sensor circuit. If your sensor or wiring is faulty, it's time to replace the oxygen sensor. Carefully remove the old sensor using a socket wrench. Be mindful of the exhaust components, as they might still be hot. Install the new sensor by screwing it in place and reconnecting the wiring. With the new sensor in place, reconnect the battery and start your vehicle. Use the scan tool to clear the P0030 code. If the code doesn't return after a test drive, congratulations, you fixed the issue. And that's how you fix the P0030 code. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.